Nah, I don't need chicken. It'll be fine. Don't make that mistake. There's a chance that your retirement account is making the biggest investment decisions of your life, and you haven't checked it in years. I'm not talking about some secret investing hack, but I am talking about your investment strategy. Conservative, balance, or growth. And if you're still young, but your investment strategy is on conservative, the difference could be massive if you've invested in decades. Maybe tens of thousands or maybe 150,000 by your retirement. Obviously, it's not guaranteed, but it's possible enough that it is worth checking. And look, I get why people don't check this stuff, because retirement feels so far away. And most of us, we never taught what it actually means when we sign up. We just chose the default settings because that is the options that was given to us when we sign up. And then we don't look at it again because life happens and we focus on the problems that we have right now. But here's the thing, the future you is still you. The future you has to live with whatever decisions that you make today. A conservative strategy usually means that your money is being invested more cautiously, more cash, more bonds, and less shares. And that makes sense for some people if they're closer to retirement age and they don't want the balance to go up and down. But if you're young and you've got 30 or 40 years before you need the money, you can miss out on a lot of potential growth if you're on that conservative strategy. Because shares can be volatile in the short term, but over the long term, they've had historically potential for more growth. And the scary part is this, a lot of people didn't choose the investment strategy, they just ended up on one, the default option. Wait, I was contributing money all these years, but I've never checked how it was invested. And that would hurt, not just because of the money, but because it was avoidable. So here's what you need to do. Don't panic. Don't watch one video and change your whole retirement plan. Don't do that. What you need to do, just check. Log into your retirement account and find the name of your current strategy. That's it. Are you in conservative, balance, or growth? And then read what your provider says that strategy is designed for. And ask yourself, how long until I need this money? And if you're not sure, please speak to someone qualified. The biggest retirement mistake might not be choosing conservative, balance, or growth, but the biggest retirement mistake might be never realizing that you chose one. So this week, just check your settings, what funds that you're invested in, because the 5 minutes you spend now could make a massive difference for future you. Thank you so much for watching. If you find this video helpful, I think you might like to watch this one too. I'll see you there.